In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a fillable PDF form in Bluebeam. So the first thing you can do is, if you have a bunch of different fields already, you could go ahead and go to the tools up top and then form. And in here, you can go ahead and click on automatically create form fields. Now, in my case over here, this created a lot of them, as you can see here. But of course, this is a bit random. I can now go ahead and just put text, for example, in these empty brackets, which doesn't really make sense. Now, of course, for your case, you likely will have like a form set up, or if you don't yet, I'm going to show you how to do it right now. Now, over here, the first way you could do this is by clicking over here on the left where it says Forms. If you don't see it, go to Window up top and then go into Panels and make sure Forms is enabled. If I can find it over here, so there we go. Make sure you click on that or press Alt plus Q on your keyboard, and that's going to get launched. You could also just use this tool, so Tools, and then here, go into Form, and you have these boxes over here. Now you could go ahead and then insert these. So for example, text boxes, you can go ahead and just draw different text boxes over here. You could go ahead and draw different radio buttons. I'm going to put one over here so you see what this does. I'm going to go ahead and also put in some check marks just to show you how this works. And then you also have the list boxes. Like that. You have these drop downs here as well. And then you also have these buttons. And then last but not least, here you have the digital signature. Okay, so if I now exit this menu over here, just so I can show you how this actually works, there we go. I can go ahead and in here you can then type, for example, hello. These buttons, these radio buttons or circles, what they will do is you can basically check them by clicking on them. So if you have multiple, of course, you'll be able to select whichever one you want to do. Now here, this is going to give a check mark or not. So this is basically, usually those are the things that you see in fillable PDF forms. Over here, you have kind of this list. You have a drop-down menu over here, which you can, of course, create yourself as well. You have different buttons. And then over here, you also have the signature. So you could go ahead and just type in whatever you want, or you could add your own digital signature. So that's how you can actually create fillable PDF forms in Bluebeam, and you can of course customize them as you wish. You could add on different text boxes to actually explain what different things do, of course, and you can then move these around to be able to go ahead and create your own fillable PDF. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.